Hey there, fellow preppers. Prepper Dad here, and I've got a challenge for you. Imagine this. You're suddenly cut off from civilization for a month. No grocery stores, no restaurants, nothing. What's in your pantry right now that could keep you and your family alive? Take a moment to think about it. Shocking, isn't it? Let me hit you with a sobering fact. According to recent studies, the average American household only has about a 3-day supply of food on hand. 3 days. That's barely enough to get through a long weekend, let alone a real crisis. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate list of survival foods that could literally save your life. These aren't just any foods. They're carefully chosen for their nutritional value, shelf life, and versatility. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to transform your pantry into a survival powerhouse. I remember the day I became a serious prepper like it was yesterday. A massive storm hit New Orleans merely 2 weeks after visiting the area on a half-country road trip. The scenes on TV were horrendous. Grocery store shelves were bare, and families were woefully unprepared. That was my wake-up call. I vowed never to be caught off guard, and that's why I'm sharing this crucial information with you today. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 15 survival foods that every prepper should have in their stockpile. These aren't exotic items you need to special order. Nope, these are foods you can find at your local grocery store or wholesale food club. Easy to get, easy to store, and most importantly, they'll keep you and your loved ones fed when times get tough. Let's kick things off with a true prepper's friend. Rolled oats. These little flakes are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates that'll keep you fueled up all day long. Plus, they have a shelf life of up to 30 years when stored properly. That's 3 decades of hearty breakfasts. Next up on our list is nature's golden goodness, honey. This sweet treat isn't just delicious, it's practically immortal. Archaeologists have found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. It's got natural antibacterial properties and never spoils. In a survival situation, honey isn't just for sweetening your tea. It's great for treating wounds, soothing sore throats, and giving you a quick energy boost. Now I know what you're thinking. Prepper Dad, why is alcohol on this list? Well, let me tell you, it's not just for celebration. High-proof alcohol, like vodka or Everclear, has multiple survival uses. It can be used as a disinfectant, a fire starter, or even to preserve food. Plus, in moderation, it can help take the edge off in stressful situations. Just remember, folks, in a survival scenario, clear heads prevail. Apple cider vinegar is another unsung hero in the prepper's pantry. This tangy liquid is a jack of all trades. It's great for preserving food, treating minor ailments, and even cleaning. It has an indefinite shelf life and can even be mixed with water and honey to make a refreshing drink. Talk about versatility. Next on our list is powdered milk. Now, I know it doesn't sound as appetizing as fresh milk, but hear me out. This stuff is a prepper's dream. It's got all the nutritional benefits of milk, including calcium and protein, but with a shelf life of up to 25 years. It's great for cooking, baking, and of course drinking. Plus, it takes up way less space than liquid milk and doesn't need refrigeration. When it comes to survival foods, protein is king, and that's where canned meat comes in. Whether it's tuna, chicken, or my personal favorite, Spam canned meat is a prepper's best friend. It's already cooked and doesn't need refrigeration. It has a shelf life of at least 5 years and is essential for maintaining muscle and energy during a crisis. Speaking of protein, let's talk about protein powder. This might seem like a bodybuilder's supplement, but it's actually a fantastic survival food. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with essential amino acids. Plus, it has a shelf life of up to 2 years, an easy way to boost your protein intake when other sources might be scarce. Now, I know water isn't technically a food, but it's so crucial that it has to be on this list. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without water. It's recommended to have at least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 2 weeks. Don't stop there. Invest in water purification methods like filters or tablets for long-term survival. All right, let's talk about beans. These little nutritional powerhouses are a prepper's dream come true. They're cheap, packed with protein and fiber, and have an incredible shelf life of up to 30 years when stored properly. They're versatile too. You can use them in soups or stews or even make bean burgers. Plus, they're filling, which is crucial when food might be scarce. Next up is rice, the staple food for over half the world's population. There's a reason for that. It's calorie-dense, easy to store, and has a shelf life of up to 30 years. It pairs perfectly with beans to create complete protein and is incredibly versatile. You can use it in almost any meal. Let's not forget about pasta. This Italian staple is more than just comfort food. It's a long-lasting source of carbohydrates that'll keep you going when times are tough. Pasta has a shelf life of up to 30 years and is incredibly easy to prepare, a great base for countless meals. Next on our list is potato flakes. These dehydrated potato shreds might not sound appetizing, but trust me, they're a prepper's secret weapon. They're lightweight and can be used to thicken soups and stews while providing a great source of carbs. Now let's talk about something that might seem like a luxury, but is actually essential: herbs and spices. In a long-term survival situation, food fatigue is real, and these flavor enhancers can be game changers. Most dried herbs and spices can last up to 4 years. Having a variety on hand, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning can turn bland survival meals into something you actually want to eat. Last but not least on our main list are multivitamins. When your diet might be limited, these little pills can help fill in the nutritional gaps. It's wise to have a year's supply for each family member since they typically have a shelf life of about 2 years. Remember, they're not a replacement for real food, but can help prevent nutritional deficiencies in a crisis. Now, for those who want to take their prep to the next level, here are a few bonus items to consider. Avocado oil, great for cooking and has a high smoke point. Ghee, clarified butter that doesn't need refrigeration. Coffee, because even in a crisis, some of us need our caffeine fix. Beef jerky, a tasty portable protein source. Sugar, for preserving fruits and adding calories when needed. These items can add variety and additional nutrients to your survival stockpile. All right, preppers, let's recap. We've covered 15 essential survival foods: rolled oats, honey, alcohol, apple cider vinegar, powdered milk, canned meat, protein powder, water, beans, rice, pasta, potato flakes, herbs and spices, vitamins, and our bonus items. Each has been chosen for its nutritional value, shelf life, and versatility. Remember, being prepared isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. By stocking up on these essential items, you're taking control of your family's future, ensuring that no matter what happens, you'll be able to keep your loved ones fed and healthy. Now I want to hear from you. What are your go-to survival foods? Do you have any storage tips or recipe ideas using these staples? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your wisdom could help another prepper in need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm always sharing new prepping tips and tricks. I don't want you to miss out. Remember, preppers, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in any situation. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and keep prepping. This is Prepper Dad signing off. See you in the next video.